Cold pitching has a bad reputation. Most freelancers dread it, and most clients ignore it. But when done right, a cold pitch doesn't feel cold at all. It feels personal, thoughtful, and useful. In this lecture, I'll show you how to write outreach messages that get responses even when you can't share samples due to non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to write cold emails or DMs that sound human, not spammy. Get attention without being aggressive or vague. Pitch your ghostwriting services with clear value without past work being visible. The purpose of a cold pitch. Your goal isn't to close a deal in one message. Your real goal is to start a conversation. Bad cold pitches jump straight to, "Let's work together." Great ones say, "Here's why I'm reaching out and how I can help if the timing's right." Focus on them, not you. Most pitches fall flat because they focus too much on the sender. Clients don't care about your full resume. They care about results and relevance. Here's a weak intro. Hi, I'm a ghostwriter with 5 years of experience writing across industries like tech, health, and education. Here's a stronger one. Hi, I've been following your work on Platform Podcast and noticed you're sharing more long-form ideas lately. If you ever need help turning those into consistent content without adding more to your plate, I'd love to support you. Notice how that speaks to their goals and pain points. Use a simple, repeatable framework. Here's a reliable structure you can use. Subject line. Short and curiosity-driven. Example, ghostwriting support if the timing fits, or quick idea for your content. Line 1. Personal hook. Reference their recent post, product launch, podcast, etc. Line 2 to 3. Highlight the content shift or pain point. Example, I know it's tough to publish consistently when you're leading a company. Line 4. Offer a simple value, not a sales pitch. Line 5. Invitation to reply or connect. Example, subject, helping with content if the timing's right. Hi name, I heard you on podcast and loved your take on topic. It sounds like you've got a lot on your plate and a lot of content ideas worth sharing. I'm a ghostwriter who helps founders turn scattered voice notes into sharp, consistent content. If you ever need help keeping up with writing without losing your tone, happy to chat. No pressure at all, just reaching out in case the timing fits. What if they ask for samples? If you're under non-disclosure agreements, NDA, or don't have shareable pieces, say this. Most of my work is ghostwritten under non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, but I'm happy to share more about my process, how I work with clients, or write a quick custom sample based on your tone. Offering a small custom sample, 200 to 300 words, only if they ask, can build trust without violating contracts. How to follow up. Silence doesn't always mean no. Sometimes it means not now. Send one follow-up 3 to 5 days later. Keep it light and low pressure. Just circling back in case this slipped past your inbox. Understand if the timing's not right, just wanted to offer support if you ever need it. If there's still no reply, move on. Keep a spreadsheet and follow up a few months later with something new to say. You don't need a fancy pitch deck or a viral LinkedIn post to find clients. You need clear language, real empathy, and a message that makes the right person say, "You get it.